to everybody. Today we are going to see Unit 2, Unit 1, Term 2, Supplementary Reader, the 3 questions by Leo Tolstoy. The 3 questions by Leo Tolstoy. Section 1. Shall we go through the story now? Okay. There was a king who had 3 questions in his mind, and if he always knew the right time to begin everything, if he knew who were the right people to listen to and whom to avoid, and above all, if he always knew what was the most important thing to do, he would never fall in anything he might undertake. Or they are given a king is having, there was a king, he is having 3 questions in his mind. He is having 3 questions in his mind. The story is about the king has at last the king has to find the answers for the questions, or not only they are given in the stories. Am I right? Okay. That is, the king is asking, the king had 3 questions in his mind, and 3 questions in his mind if you always knew the right time to begin everything. What is asking? The first question is, what is the most important time to do anything? The first question is, what is the most important time to do anything? That is now. If you're having means the most important time to do anything. What is the most important time? What you're having important time to do anything, like that. Okay. The second question is, who is the most important person to refer to? What they're asking, who is the most important person to refer to? The world, who is the most important person? What we have to refer to that person? If we are having anything means to whom we have to refer. That is the second question. That is a person with you. Okay. And the third question is what they are telling. The third question is, what is the most important job to do? The third question is, what is the most important job to do? What we are having the most important job to do, that is to do good to the person with you. That is a job to do a good thing. That is a job to do good to the person with you. Okay, that is the 3 questions. Okay, see, that is, above all, if he knows. Okay, the 3 questions is having, if they knows the 3 questions means what was the most important thing to do, he would never fall in anything he might undertake. And this thought having occurred to him, he had these 3 questions had having in his mind, and this one to proclaimed. That is, he had it proclaimed means what? Announced officially. That is, he is having those 3 questions in his mind, and he wants to announce those 3 questions to the public. That is the official. Okay. If he announce this one in public, that is officially means they will know. Okay. Whom they have to know the answers means they will tell. Okay. So after that, proclaimed throughout his kingdom that he would give a great reward to anyone who would teach him what is the right time for every action, and who are the most necessary people, and how he might know what is the most important thing to do. Okay, that is, he want to proclaim. That is, I told that proclaim means he wants to announce it officially. Okay, throughout his kingdom. Okay, throughout his kingdom, that he would give a great reward. Okay, if they know for those 3 questions answers mean, he will give a reward. Okay, reward to anyone who would teach him. Okay, so what's the right time for every action? What is the right time for every action? What we are doing is, okay, he's asking. And who are the most necessary people in our life? Who are the most necessary, that is the important people in our life? Okay, and how he might know, how he might know what is the most important thing to do. He might know what is the most important thing to do, he is asking. And then learned men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. Okay, he has proclaimed, that is, he has announced it officially, and all the kings that are coming, all the men came to the king, and they are telling for the answers differently. Okay, the questions, they are telling those answers differently. Okay, in reply to the first question, okay, the first question, what I told, what is the most important time to do anything, right? What is the most important time to do anything? Okay, so in reply to the first question, some said that to know the right time for every action, to know the right time, okay, the correct time, accurate time, that is the right time. Okay, right time for every action, each and every action. Okay, action means what? What you are going to do something. Okay, what you are going to do something, that is an action. Okay, so one must draw up in advance a table of days, table of days, months, and years. Okay, and must live strictly according to it. And must live strictly according to it. Okay, so only thus, said they, could everything be done at its proper time. So what is telling? Could everything be done at its proper time? We don't know. Only thus they could everything be done in the proper time or not. Okay. After that, others declared that it was impossible to decide beforehand the right time for every action. Others are declared that it was impossible. It's not possible thing. Okay, it is impossible to decide. We have to, if you are rowing, each and every action means we have to decide for that. Am I right? Beforehand the right time for every action, what you are going to do for the right time for every action. Okay, but that not letting oneself be observed in ideal pastimes. Observe means what I told. Observe means what? Take in or soaked up. Okay, take in or soaked up. Okay, taken or soaked up in past tense. Past means we have finished, that is we have done in the past time. Now it's present. Okay, past means before 1 week or 2 weeks, that is has been done, that is called as a past action. Okay, past tense. And then one should always attend to all that was going on. One should always attend to all that was going on. Okay, and then do what is the most needful. What is the most needful thing? Needful means we want this one, means that is the most needful thing. Okay, and others again said that however attentive the king might be to what was going on. However the king has been attentive means might be what was going on. They are telling that what was going on now, and it was impossible for one man to decide correctly. Yeah, everything is telling that it was impossible, it was not possible, it is impossible for one man to decide everything. Okay, decide correctly the right time for every action. One man is decide correctly the right time for every action, that is the right time for every action. But that he should have a council of wise, men who would help him to fix the proper time for everything. Okay, it was impossible for one man. Yes, it's correct, it was impossible one man to decide how we have to decide the correctly the time for every action and all. we can't. Okay, so but that he should have a council of wise men, but we have to have a council for the wise men to have, okay, help him, and to have to fix the proper time for each and everything. Okay, coming to the next one. But then again others said there were some things, there were some things which could not wait to be laid before a council, but about which one had wants to decide whether to undertake them or not. But in order to decide that, one must know beforehand what is going. Sorry. Why it's running like this? Sorry. So for one man to decide correctly the right time for every action, but that he should have a council of wise men who would help him to fix the proper time for everything that I told. Okay, coming to the next para. But then again others said there were some things which could not wait to be laid before a council, but about which one had at once to decide whether to undertake them or not. But in order to decide that, one must know beforehand what is going to happen. It is only magicians who know that. It is only magicians who knows that. And therefore, in order to know the right time for every action, one must consult magicians. One must consult magicians. What are given here? But then again, others said there were some things. What they telling? There were some things, okay, which could not wait. The some things which could not wait for us to be laid before a council. What are going to give them a council, okay? But about which one had at once to decide. But which one had at once to decide whether we have to undertake, them or not. But in order to decide it, but we have to decide some time. Okay, one must know beforehand, one must know before itself what is going to happen. Yeah, that's right. We must know, someone will know before they think. If you're doing some actions, anything means some work or some action, something we are doing means before itself we could know, to understand, okay, something is going to happen. Yeah, yes. So it is only magicians who know that. Who will know this and all? Magician. Magicians means what? One who do some magic tricks. One who do some magic tricks are known as magicians. Am I right? Yeah. Who know that, and therefore in order to know the right time for every action, in order to know the right time, the correct time for each and every action, one must consult magicians. One must consult who? Magicians. So equally various were the answers to the second question. Equally, it is the first question answers. Now we are going to see about the second question answer, right? Equally various were the others to the second question is, some said the people the king most needed were his counselors, others the priests, others the doctors, while some said the warriors were the most necessary. Okay, the second question, what I asked that, who is the most important person to refer to? Am I right? Who is the most important person to refer to? That is, who is the most important person in the world to refer to ask to something? Okay, a person whom with you. That is okay. That is equally various were the answers to the equally sorry for the disturbance. Equally, some said the people the king most needed were his counselors. Some said the people the king most needed were his counselors. Counselors, you know. Yes. After that, counselors, you know. Am I right? counselors. After that, counselors, others the priest, others the doctors. Priest means okay, others and the doctors. While some said the various, while some said the various were the most necessary. Okay. To the third question, what they are asking, what I told the third question, what is the most important job to do? What is the most important job to do? That is to do good to the person with you. To do good to the person with you. To the third question, what they are telling is, as to what is the most important occupation, as to what is the most important occupation. Somehow we are having the most important occupation. Some reply that the most important thing in the world was science. Some are telling that the most important thing in the world is science. Okay, science, we know, no? Science, yes, science. Okay, most important, some replied that the most important thing in the world was science. Others said it was skill in warfare. Others said it was skill in warfare. And others again that it was religious worship. It was religious worship. Worship means, that is, religious means what? The temples that and all they are telling. Okay, all the answers being different. Yeah, all the three questions, three answers are different. The king agreed with none of them. The king did not agree with them, anyone. The king did not agree and gave the reward to none. And he did not give the reward to anyone, but still wishing to find the right answers to his question. But still has wishes to find the right answers to his questions, and he decided to consult a hermit, widely renowned for his wisdom. Renowned means what I told, famous, eminent, distinguished, prominent, famous one. Renowned means what? Famous one. Okay, for his wisdom. The hermit lived in a wood. Hermit, that is the famous one who lived in his wisdom. Okay, hermit lived in a wood which he never quitted, and he received none but common folk. Hermit, where he is living in a wood which he never quitted, and he received none but common folk. So the king put on simple clothes. So the king put on simple clothes, and before reaching the hermit cell, the king will put on some simple clothes only. So the king was wearing some simple clothes, and before reaching the hermit cell, okay, dismounted dismounted from his horse, okay, leaving his bodyguard behind. He went on alone. He will having his horse, but he is not going by horse, and leaving his, he is having some bodyguards. King is having everything, okay, so he is leaving his bodyguard behind, and he went only alone. Okay, when the king approached, okay, king is approached, the hermit was digging the ground. You can see here, yes, the hermit was digging the ground. Digging the ground in front of his hut. In front of his hut, he is digging the ground. Seeing the king, he greeted him and went on digging. He greeted him to the king and went, okay, give that one, give that tool. I too will dig the what? Ground, like that, the king is telling. The hermit was frail and weak, and each time he struck his spade into the ground and turned a little earth, he breathed heavily. Okay. The king went up to him and said, the king went up and him to said, I have come to you, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer these three questions. I have come to meet you to ask you to the three questions, and you have to answer about three questions, like that. The king is asking to a hermit. And how can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Okay, how can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? How can I learn to do the right thing? That is the right thing at the correct time. Who are the people I most need, and to whom should I? Who are the people I most need, and whom should I? which people needed most thing I most need, and whom should I therefore pay more attention than to the rest. And what affairs means event and incident are the most important, the need my first attention. The hermit listened to the king but answered nothing. The hermit also listening the three questions what the king is saying, and that hermit is not answering any questions, okay, but answer nothing. He just pat on his hand and recommends digging. He just pat on his hand, and what that hermit is telling, he recommends digging only, okay, told to dig the ground. You are tired, said the king. What they is telling, you are tired, said the king, okay. Let me take the spade and work a while for you. Thanks, said the hermit, and giving the spade to the king, he sat down on the ground. Who sat down on the ground? King, okay. He is digging the ground. And when he had dug two beds, the king stopped and repeated his question. The hermit again gave no answer, but rose, stretched out his hand for the spade, and said, now rest a while and let me work a bit. What is saying? Now should I take a rest a while and let me work a bit again. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. What is telling? The king did not give him the spade. You should continue to dig. 1 hour passed and another also passed. The sun began to sink behind the trees. The sun sets in the evening, no? Sun also came in the evening behind the trees, and the king at last struck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me none, tell me so. I will return home. Here comes something running, said the hermit. Let us see who it is. Okay. So what is telling? The king is it's not given him the spade and continue to dig. Okay, 1 hour passed, 2 hours passed, and continuing. Even the sun began to sink behind the trees, and the king at last struck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for answer my three questions. If you can give me none, if you are not telling any answers means, tell me so, I will return home. What is the king is telling? Tell me so, I will return to my home. He has come someone running. Someone is running and coming, said the hermit. Let us see who it is. They are saying, okay, let us see. Wait, we can find who it is. Okay. So proclaim means what? Announce officially. Observe means taken or soaked up. Renowned means famous, eminent, distinguished, or prominent. Efface means event and incident. Okay. So let me, I have taken the first part. You can see, I can go through the story twice, and you can find any difficulty means you can ask me. Thank you for watching this video, students. Thank you.